Fall Jones, Namor Sage. Another one of the piranhas out here. I don't know what to call him. Let's call him Piranha Rob. Why not?
Piranha Rob, menacing both Fuego and the referee.
Oh, wait a minute. Big Fall Jones and Namor Sage just stomping a copy of One Fish, Two Fish.
You know, just because they're from saltwater, they don't have to be so damn salty.
And introducing your wrestlers,
There he is.
Tag Team Champions, the team with a serious softball and bitch and Edison. C-A-P!
That's just a couple of good kitties, Cody.
They are. None of those keys. C-A-T.
Huh? What? I like it. Ugh.
Like me.
What? I like it.
Haley's all this time. Namor Sage looking at what's on the line here as the waves of pain have quite the opportunity.
Oh my God, it's Namor.
Looks like we're gonna have Namor Sage and the big cat Scott Henson starting things off. Namor Sage changing the plan here. Looks like Piranha Fall Jones will be starting this off.
And we are underway.
Speaking of being under things, Jones there is under a weird spell of Namor Sage. Ever since that mask was forcefully put on him, he's like he's one of those weirdos that hisses at a ref. What was that?
I think he tried to bite him. I think he tried to bite him.
That was him.
Get out of here, Piranha Rob.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call that one Piranha Rob on the floor.
Piranha Fall Jones. Got that side headlock.
These piranhas have been known to take some eyes. But right now, Scott Henson looking to take an arm. As Jones is in trouble here. Opening moments. Oh, but look at that. Piranha Fall jockeying for position with Big Cat and gets the headlock, but only momentarily. Henson right back in control.
Big Cat wrench on the wrist there.
Good kitty.
Piranha Fall Jones smartly reversing the torque by spinning out, but
That's a slippery fish.
Bite him! Bite him!
Oh no!
looking for a finger sandwich.
Piranha Fall. Come on. Getting some.
Arm wringer.
And Henson returns the favor. Nom nom kitty. Henson now sends Jones for a ride, or does he? Counters the Irish whip, does Jones, but Henson with a big shoulder block out of nowhere.
Taking down Piranha Fall Jones. Uh-oh.
Scratching the back of Jones.
Just ripping the scales off the back of Piranha Fall Jones.
And in comes Syrian Softpaws.
Snapmare takeover with authority. Oh, whipped him with that tails. Fall by a senton.
Somersault. Lateral press. I think that's just swimming his way back to the corner, and finally in comes Namor Sage.
Look who it is! We're at the place in Atlantis!
Get that
You say that like it's an insult?
Sage, salty.
Yeah, salty as the sea. Namor Sage and Syrian definitely have some history between the two. Once upon a time, these two fought side by side. Tonight,
Is the X-Men?
it's a completely different story. Sage has a little, it was an odd flex, but okay.
Locking up once again. Sarian driving Damien Sage in the corner.
Over Sage looking for a clean break. They're telling the ref to get Sarian off of him.
Just pleading with the referee.
Collar and elbow.
Back into the opposite corner.
And Sage taking control. Oh, not a clean break at all. Kick to the gut. Oh, wait a minute. Cats have 9 lives, buddy.
Yeah.
Using him as a human scratching post.
That kid got claws, Cody.
Oh, yeah. A series of poofy paws.
Oh!
Double toe beans. Again. Oh, man. Damn near took the mask off of Jones with that one. But Namor Sage left alone with Team CAT. What do they have in mind?
Double teamed by the big kitties. Sarian up and over.
Oh, but Softpaw runs right into the boot of Namor Sage.
No, big cats here.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
You're good, man.
Mixing up my kitties. So his Southpaw's on the apron.
Oh,
What's he doing? Oh, wait a minute.
Sarian put that Softpaw's mask on Sage. Is he possessed by the power of kitties?
This is perfect.
Someone give him some catnip.
Possessed by the power of the feline, and he's giving himself a bath. Oh, that's a good kitty.
Piranha Rob and Piranha Fall Jones don't know what to think.
Oh, Namor Sage hopping sideways like a Halloween kitty. Looks like the Piranhas are gonna have to take on their master here, who's possessed by a
He's
cat.
batting him. He's batting him.
Poofy paws! And the toe beans are flying! He's a good kitty.
Double scratching pose for both Piranhas.
Namor Sage possessed as he just
Oh,
bops him.
He's trying to push him off the edge.
If he doesn't understand what something is, he's just gonna swat it.
Cats can't resist pushing things off edges. I love it. This is awesome. Now.
Namor Sage giving himself a bath with that sandpaper tongue.
Are they a clouder now? I think they're a clouder.
Aw. Yeah. You a good kitty? Yeah, you wanna lay on my lap? Come on. Come on. Oh God, he's a big cat. Oh, he's a big kitty. Oh boy, yeah. Stranger things have happened.
All right, things are getting weird over here.
I know,
Big Cat is lighting up the competition.
Be quiet, he's sleeping. Oh, he's a sleepy kitty. He's a sleepy kitty. He's waking up, chasing our ass. Wait a minute. This kitty cat's waking up.
Uh-oh.
He sees that fishy. And the kitten, Namor's back in the ring. Softpaw's giving a little chin rub.
He likes it under his chin.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh, Piranha Fall Jones stealing the mask. Oh crap, damn it.
The mask magic is over. Sarian's in trouble.
Oh, fuck. Huge kick to the midsection by Sage. Man was very lethal with those legs.
Sage waking up from a fugue state.
Enough is enough. I mean,
Setting his sights on that tail.
come on. Don't do it.
That's just mean. No!
Oh my God!
That tail had a family in something.
Telpita. They're not going to do this. There was Sage holding soft paws in place by the tail, tagging in Piranha Ball Jones. After 9 lives of soft paw been used up, come on!
Piranha Ball Jones choking Syrian soft paws with his own tail.
The disrespect.
That's just malicious.
Jones now takes Syrian up against that rope there. Nowhere to go. Softball is being hung up to dry.
2, 3. Trying to separate our two competitors. Ow! Piranha Rob, what are you doing?
Ooh, a near fall there, not enough. Remember, the SOS Pro Wrestling Tag Team Championships are on the line tonight. Enough is enough. Come on. The referee might have to stop this. No. He's got that MMA style tail lock applied. Something you will see in UFC. Learn that from the wizard himself. Once again, tagging back in. Fuego, watch out there. Piranha Rob will eat your eye.
Big splash to the tail.
Daryl handed him.
Rolls him up.
That was extremely close. You even saw Big Cat Scott Henson almost coming in to make the save, but Softpaw kicked out on his own. Softpaw still has some fight left in him. Oh no. Somebody help me. Big arm trap headbutt into a suplex. Not enough. Look at this, frequent tags by the waves of pain.
Dragging their competitor in the corner and holding onto that arm.
Oh.
Sage driving his elbow into that tail.
Sage gives 0 fucks. With a single S spine buster, 1, 2, no! Come on.
Sage is teeing off on Syrian.
Yow, yow, yow. Softpaws has him by the throat.
Goes to him. Big choke slam.
Softpaws, I don't think he knows where he is. I don't think he realizes how far away from his partner he is. Trying to make his way over.
Slowly but surely.
No. Don't call me Shirley.
Namor with a handful of tail.
Pulling him into that suplex via the tail. We could be moments away from new champions. No. Once again, Syrian Softpaw is able to get those toe beans in the air. This tag team championship matchup continues as Piranha Ball Jones takes the shirt off, and that means it's business time. No, if they hit this, it's going to be over.
Oh!
Not today. A little bit of a backfire.
Yes, indeed.
A lot of it of a backfire.
Syrian rolls through, gets that quick tag. Big Cat is in.
Comes the big kitty. Woo! Put some stank on that one. Henson looking for the Tiger, but Piranha Ball saw it coming. Or did he? Henson changing plans. Has him up, thinking about that gut buster.
Yes,
Oh yeah!
indeed. Connects.
Vintage Scott Henson. Oh, but not enough to put away Jones. Scott Henson takes him to the corner, tagging back in his partner. This is double team time. Oh, but Namor Sage distracting the referee. Oh, come on!
Toronto Rob getting involved once again. Can't get this guy out of the match.
Pause. Looking for another choke slam, but Namor Sage from behind.
Oh! Devastating!
Soft pause is out.
That's gotta take it all.
No! How in the hell did he just kick out of that? Henson. Back in action. Catches Namor Sage. Whip, ripcord. Tiger, burning bright.
That's put away so many competitors in the past.
Oh, but wait, Jones shoving Big Cat to the floor. Soft pause from behind, rolls him up. Oh, near fall. Dodging the lariat is Jones, maybe thinking backslide.
Sarian rolling out just at the last second, but eats a knee right to the mush.
Looking for another one, but Henson also on the receiving end of the backslide. But Henson up to his feet before Jones has the double underhook. Team CAT deliver! 1, 2, 3.
And here are your winners. And still your SOS Pro Wrestling Tag Team
You want these?
Champions, CAT.
Effing A, Beak. Effing A. That was one hell of a tag team contest. There were a lot of moments where I thought the Waves of Pain might have been walking out with the championships, but no. It was the Big Cat, Scott Henson, it was Sarian Southpaws, making sure they have the right titles each. Team CAT walking away with another W in the books and still your SOS Pro Wrestling Tag Team Champions.
I don't want to know how they know those titles by set.